Hey everyone, I'm Scarlett.
And I'm Henry.
Nervous speaking English at cafes?
Then today's episode is for you.
Because today,
We're ordering coffee in English,
real conversations,
useful phrases.
and easy English for beginners.
So grab your favorite drink.
And let's go to the cafe.
Wow, this cafe looks really cozy.
Yeah, I already love this place.
And it smells amazing.
Fresh coffee always smells comforting somehow.
True.
Coffee shops feel peaceful.
Unless you're nervous ordering in English.
Exactly!
Wait, are you nervous right now?
A little.
Why?
Cafe menus in English confuse me sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, there are so many words.
Latte, cappuccino, espresso.
Mocha, macchiato, cold brew.
It sounds like another language, honestly.
Exactly!
But don't worry.
Easy for you to say.
Hey, I used to feel nervous too.
Really?
Of course.
That actually makes me feel better.
Most English learners think fluent speakers were always confident.
But that's not true.
Not at all.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
Okay, teacher, help me survive this cafe.
Gladly.
Hi there. Welcome to Moon Café. What can I get started for you?
First lesson.
I'm listening.
Remember this simple phrase. Can I get...
Yes.
Very natural English.
Okay, can I get a latte, please?
Of course. What size would you like?
Small, medium, or large.
Oh, right. Medium, please.
Great. And would you like it hot or iced?
Oh, no.
Haha, another English challenge.
There are too many choices.
You're doing great.
Okay, iced, please.
Perfect.
Wow, I understood everything.
See?
That actually felt good.
Small success.
Big confidence boost.
And what can I get for you today?
Can I get a cappuccino and a chocolate muffin?
Sure thing.
Thanks.
Would you like whipped cream on the latte?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Would you like whipped cream on your latte?
Okay. No, thank you.
Perfect.
Really?
That phrase is gold for English learners.
Could you repeat that, please?
Exactly.
Because real people speak fast.
Very fast sometimes.
My brain needs subtitles.
Same, honestly.
Your total is $13.20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready soon.
Henry, can I ask something?
Sure.
What exactly is a latte?
A latte is coffee with lots of milk.
So it tastes softer?
Exactly.
And cappuccino?
Cappuccino has more foam and stronger coffee flavor.
Interesting.
Espresso is even stronger.
Tiny cup, huge power.
Best description ever.
Honestly, cafes have their own language.
That's true.
But once you learn a few words,
Everything becomes easier.
you know something embarrassing happened to me once?
Uh-oh.
I wanted iced coffee,
Okay.
but I forgot the word iced.
Oh no.
So I said, "Can I get cold coffee water?"
Cold coffee water?
Yes.
That sounds terrible.
The barista looked very confused.
I would be confused too, honestly.
But after that day,
You never forgot iced coffee.
exactly.
Funny mistakes are powerful teachers.
That's actually true.
Mistakes make memories.
And memories help learning.
Wow, that sounded smart.
Thank you very much.
Emma, medium iced latte.
That's me.
Big moment.
Wow, this looks beautiful.
Coffee shops are dangerous.
For your wallet?
And my self-control.
True. I suddenly want cake too.
Same.
Okay, everyone, let's learn some useful cafe vocabulary while we drink.
Word number 1, latte.
Coffee with lots of milk.
Word number 2, espresso.
Strong black coffee in a small cup.
Word number 3, barista.
The person who makes coffee.
Word number 4, muffin.
A sweet baked snack.
Word number 5, whipped cream.
Sweet cream on top of drinks.
Delicious, but dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Word number 6, foam.
The soft bubbles on top of some coffee drinks.
Very common in cappuccinos.
Oh, I always heard that word, but never understood it properly.
See, small learning moments matter.
Okay, Ryan, taste test time.
Go for it. Good?
Wow,
That good?
really good.
Better than cold coffee water?
Please stop saying that.
Never.
It's sweet, creamy, cold.
Sounds perfect.
Honestly, I understand cafe people now.
Cafe people?
People who spend 3 hours drinking one coffee.
That's so true.
Cafes feel relaxing.
Especially for studying English,
Wait, that's actually true.
right?
Cafes are good places for English learners.
Because conversations are short and repetitive.
And people are usually patient.
Exactly.
Also, you hear real English,
Natural English,
not textbook English.
which is super important.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can I get another napkin, please?
Of course.
Another super useful phrase.
Can I get another napkin?
You can replace napkin with many words.
Straw, spoon, cup.
Exactly.
Real-life English feels much more useful than memorizing random grammar sometimes.
I agree.
Because learners want to speak.
Not just pass tests.
Exactly.
You know what English learning is like?
What?
Learning guitar.
Ooh, nice metaphor.
At first, your hands hurt.
And everything sounds bad.
Exactly.
But little by little.
Your confidence grows.
And one day, speaking feels natural.
Same with English.
Small practice every day matters.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Even one cafe conversation helps.
Honestly, today already made me feel more confident.
Me too.
And confidence changes everything.
Not perfect grammar?
No.
Not difficult vocabulary?
No?
Then what matters most?
Having the courage to speak.
I love that.
Remember, everyone,
Every fluent English speaker was once nervous too.
so don't wait to become perfect.
Just start speaking.
Even simple English can create real conversations.
And real conversations change your confidence.
Okay, everyone, before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson.
Today we learned useful cafe phrases.
Like, could you repeat that, please? Hot or iced? Can I get another napkin?
We also learned cafe vocabulary.
Latte, espresso, barista, foam, muffin, whipped cream.
And most importantly,
Mistakes are normal.
slow English is okay.
And confidence grows with practice.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What's your favorite cafe drink?
Latte, cappuccino, iced coffee, hot chocolate?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Even short comments help your English improve.
And if this video helped you relax and learn,
Please like and subscribe.
it really helps the channel grow.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep believing in yourself.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep learning English.